Hello guys, my name is Dr. Bello. This is UI posted semi past question chemistry. So one of the past question in chemistry. The question says same electricity that deposits 2.07 gram of lead PB. Lead, this is the symbol for lead. Sorry, it should be capital letter P and small letter B. PB deposit what mass of aluminium. Same electricity that deposit 2.07 gram of Pb of lead deposit what mass of aluminium. We can solve this thing in two ways. The one we use number of moles, but I want to follow the one that just goes directly with the definition of Faraday's second law of electrolysis. Like that just go directly with it. Like can just ascribe it directly. Do you get? Yeah. Faraday's second law of electrolysis say that when the same quantity of electricity is passed through different is passed through different solution of electrolytes. Say the mass of electricity liberated or deposited are what directly proportional to their chemical equivalent. That is when you have the same quantity of electricity, so the question goes with it, same electricity, so the mass of element deposited is what is directly proportional to their chemical equivalent. That is M equals to what? E. Do we get that? M equals to E. So that means M equals to what? M is directly proportional to E chemical equivalent. Then M equals to what? Ke. Make K the center of the formula. K equals to what? M over what? M over chemical equivalent. So if M over this guy is constant, since it's constant, then you can have it continuously. That is M1 over E1 equals to what? M2 over what? E2 equals to M3 over E3, depending on how many you have. Since it's equal to constant, then you can write it like this. So M1 over E1 equals to what? M2 over what? E2. So here now, if you cross multiply, you will have what? M1 E2 equals to what? M2 E1. So here you can say M1 over M2 equals to what? E2 over what? E1. Yeah. M1, if you take this down, this one will come. If you take this down, M1 over M2 is that, oh, this one will be sorry. E1 over what? E1 over E2. So it can be either way. M1 over M2 equals to E1 over E2. What's our M1? Let's say that's that of lead. 2.07 over, what's our M2? If we have M2, mass of aluminium we don't have. This atomic mass is different from mass. We don't have mass of aluminium, M2. That's what we have to find. Equals to what? E2. Now, sorry, this E1, sorry. Electrochemical equivalent is equal to atomic weight or molecular weight divided by valency. Now let's write the reaction for Pb, the half reaction. Pb equals to what? It's going to give us what? Pb2 plus what? 2E minus, right? This is the half reaction for lead. That means we have two electrons here, isn't it? So if we want to find the electrochemical equivalent for lead, it's going to give us atomic mass of lead over valence of lead. The valence of lead is 2 plus. 2 plus. Do we get that? 2 plus. In fact, I don't even need to write this reaction. This reaction can be very necessary when we are using number of moles to calculate. But I already know that lead is 2 plus, so I don't need to even write the reaction. Lead is 2 plus. This is what I need. We all know that the valency of lead is 2 plus. So to get the electrochemical equivalent of lead, we have the atomic mass of lead 207. Are we together? 207 divided by its valency, and that's what? 103.5. So put it here. 103.5 divided by, now the one for aluminium, so it's going to give us what? The electrochemical equivalent for aluminium is going to be the atomic mass of aluminium or atomic weight of aluminium divided by what? Divided by the valency of aluminum. What's valency of aluminum? 3 plus. Aluminum is Al3 plus. That's valency of 3. So what's the atomic mass of aluminum given to us? 27 divided by 3, and that's what? That's 9. So this guy give us what? 9. So our M1 over M2, I can do it like this, but I just want to gather all the M together and all the E together. M1 over M2 equals to E1 over E2. That's just it. Following Faraday's second law of electrolysis. When the same quantity of electricity pass through different solution of electrolyte, the mass of elements. I think initially I said the mass of electricity. Sorry, it's the mass of element, not the mass of electricity. The mass of elements deposited or liberated are what? Directly proportional to their electrochemical equivalent. That is, M is directly proportional to E. That means M equals to what? Ke. Make K the center of the formula. K equals to M over E. Since M over E is constant, then you can have M1 over E1 equals to M2 over E2. And that's all. And that's what we just did. Now let's look for our M2. Cross multiply. M2 equals to what? 2.07 times 9 divided by what? 103.7. You punch your calculator. I think that's going to give you, M2 is going to give you something like 0.18 gram. So the mass of aluminum that have the same quantity of electricity as this same mass of lead is what? Is 0.18 gram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and share the video among your friends. We have a lot to do, but let's just kick start with all this. See you in the next video.